life insurance, and I think you mentioned this, but life insurance can help in lots of different ways. So not just as a death benefit, but there are other ways that you can use it. Can you talk about a few of those?
Yeah, so you can use life insurance. So again, it depends on the type of life insurance that you have. So I'm going to speak on the Index Universal Life. It is the most current, recent type of life insurance policy. And with the term Index Universal Life, it's an index type of account. It is life insurance, but because it has these other components, such as the compound interest that grows into the policy, a person can determine either how much coverage they want, or we look at it and say, how much can the client afford monthly to go into the policy, because it comes out monthly out of a checking or savings account, and then that's going to determine how much coverage they're going to get. So it needs to also be designed properly. So what I mean by that is if you have an increasing policy, your death benefit's going to grow also.
That's nice.
So a lot of insurance policies, what they call is a level death benefit, which simply means if I have a $500,000 policy, it is leveled at a $500,000 policy. It doesn't ever increase. But there are other policies where you can have increasing policies, so my death benefit starts off at $500,000,
but it
as
can
example,
grow.
but then it can grow, and in all the years it continues to grow. So one, you have an increasing death benefit. You can have long-term care, which is so important. Long-term care, a lot of people think it's, someone that's older, right? Long-term care can be at any age. So that's if someone needs help with bathing or feeding or getting dressed or mobility, these types of things. So as we get older, it's not necessarily because we have an illness or a sickness, we slow down a little bit. We may need help with, bathing or getting dressed and those types of things. So more and more people are taking care of their family members, their parents or their grandparents, and they're living with them in their homes, and it's very costly. And I always tell people, no matter what state you live in, you can easily Google what is the average cost for long-term care, and that's not covered with your medical insurance. And so it's amazing that you can have a life insurance policy and add that to it. So if you need it, it will come from the life insurance policy versus from your pocket, right? So it has the benefits of cash growth, no taxes. You can access the money at any age, not like a retirement account where you have to wait till age 59 and a half. Yep, at any age you can access this money, and this is amazing for children. Amazing. Reason being is because as soon as your child has a social security number, they can get this policy, and this policy will build, and they can use this for retirement tax-free.